Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn something unique and super fun. Learn English phrases through pictures. If you are new here, I've been teaching English in a very simple and practical way. In my previous videos, I covered English basics like grammar and vocabulary. If you haven't watched those yet, make sure to check them out first so you have a strong foundation. Then, in the last few videos, I taught you how to learn English through picture descriptions, which was a big hit. People loved it because it's such an easy and visual way to understand language. But today, we are taking it one step further. We are going to focus on English phrases, the kind of phrases you hear in everyday conversations, and we'll learn them through pictures. It's going to be fun, easy, and super effective. So, let's get started. In the morning, I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I wash my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I pick up my toothbrush. I brush my teeth. I dry my face. I dry my hands. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my trousers. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I comb my hair. I look out the window. Next, I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I drink the water. I open the fridge. I take out some bread. I slice the bread. I eat my bread. I close the fridge. I sit on a chair. I walk to the hallway. I pick up my jacket. I open the front door. I step outside. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I breathe fresh air. I look at the sky. I cross the road carefully. I continue to walk. I sit at my desk. I write an email. I read a document. I leave my workplace. I walk towards the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I get off the bus. I walk along the park. I walk back home. I unlock my door. I enter my home. I take off my jacket. I walk into the living room. I open a window. I sit on the sofa. I pick up a newspaper. I stand up slowly. I go to the kitchen again. I wash an apple. I leave the kitchen. I sit at the table. I open a book. I read a page. I close the book. I place the book on a shelf. I walk into the dining room. I sit on the floor. I fold my legs. I close my eyes again. I breathe slowly. I pick up a magazine. I read a short article. I put the magazine back. I walk to the window. I watch the sunset. I close the window. Finally, I walk into my bedroom. I open a drawer. I take out my pajamas. I place my clothes in a basket. I walk to the bed. I sit on it. I lie down. I rest my head on the pillow. I look at the ceiling. I close my eyes again. I think about the day. I feel grateful. I smile softly. Then, I fall asleep. And that's it. A full day described in simple English phrases. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Learning a language takes practice, but if you keep using these phrases every day, you'll improve faster than you think. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy English lessons. Also, let me know in the comments, what other daily routines or situations would you like to learn phrases for? Thank you so much for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night, and sweet dreams.